go. I'm excited. Very excited.
Well, right now we are like here.
Yeah.
We're gonna go all the way.
Yeah, pretty much all around. It's super fun. Super fun.
Oh man, this is like so long, man.
It's long, yeah. It's long. It's gonna be good.
Excited.
Cold and excited.
Yes, sir. Gang,
So
man.
what happens when you do coffee chats on LinkedIn? You
Yeah,
meet up
you
in
just meet-
Vancouver and you ride scooters.
Yeah, we just ride scooters. Next thing you know, bam, we're all the way in the mountain. Man, this is cool. Yeah.
This is sick. I'm excited. Andrew, are you gonna be holding the camera? Alright, look at this pro over here. How does it feel? It feels good, right?
It was crazy good.
Yeah, it feels it's so smooth too.
I think I injured myself because I went too fast earlier too. Yeah, because I wanted to stop and now I'm just like How do you like it so far?
It's good.
Like having the scooter.
So fast. Insanely fast. Honestly, like, I don't know how more people don't hurt themselves. But, like, you
Honestly,
sort of,
yeah. I kind of hurt myself, but hey, it's pretty good though.
Yeah, it's,
I like it. It's like so fast.
it's silent.
How do you like it so far?
It's really cool, actually.
Yeah. What do you think?
Yeah, it was amazing.
Results are awesome.
That's great.